Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? Today we have unboxing of a product called uh, Viltrox. What I'm gonna show you today is this product over here, and this is basically a mount for the cameras of a Canon M50. So if you have a Canon M50, this is a mount for you to make you use lenses of the EF lenses, which is very known line of lenses on the Canon. So this camera, let me just explain. This camera uses an EFM lens, which is smaller in size, so kind of fit to this compact size of the Canon M50. So, and how to actually remove this lens? All you have to do is just click on this, rotate the lens, and it's bam, it's out. Now here's the lens. Let me just put it here, and what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use the adapter here, which is the this guy over here, and put it here so we can use it as an extra adapter for another EF lens later on, which is I'm gonna unbox and just wait for it. Okay, so just give me a second for you to show this lens over here, or take it out. Okay, that was pretty easy. That wasn't hard. So it says is Viltrox, your smart choice. It's from China, of course. It's kind of cheap, around 200 reals, and give you access to very big lens. Wow, it's heavy. I'm actually surprised that it's that heavy. So there you go. I'll just open it for you here. And this is how it's going to look like on the front side of the camera. I'll try to install it right now, and this might be the first time I does this stuff, but I'm afraid they're going to break something. Now I believe this is the installation. This is where you put it, your camera. So let me just give it a try. Hopefully I don't mess things up. Okay, let me just try to push the bottom first. So here you have to push this so the small lining just get in. That's actually hard to install. All right. Okay. All right, we got it, guys. We got it. So is it like this? Yep. So what's up with this guy over here? This is the mount. I don't know what it is for. Maybe I need to reinstall it. Maybe this is the mount. Yeah, this is how you mount it. If you want to mount it instead of using this on a tripod. But let me check this out, guys. Now I have access to all EF lenses, and that's a good thing, to be honest with you. That's a great thing. Anyways, now after let's try to cover it up, so you don't want any dust getting inside the sensor, because it's very sensitive, so you have to be careful. So you have to unlock it just like this once you're done with your camera, because this is it. You have to be careful about these, because they are not so cheap. Anyways, guys, this is the lens, the adapter. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. See you guys later.